Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove contacts to the Edge Panels People widget on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on display. Next, we scroll down and tap on the Edge Panels. Make sure the Edge Panels is switched on by tapping on the toggle button at the top to turn it on. Then we go down and tap on Panels. In here at the top, swipe across and locate the People panel. In here, tap on the radio box to select the People panel, and then it will be added to the Edge Panels. Alright, you can tap on the edit button in here to add or remove the contacts to the People widget, or you can swipe out and locate the People panel, and you can tap on the edit button at the bottom. So either way, you'll be able to add in more contacts to the widget here. Now tap on select contacts, and in here you can go down the list and select the contacts that you want to add to the panel, and then tap on done, and you can see that it has now been added to the People widget panel on the Edge Panels. And if you want, you can also tap on the remove button to remove the contacts. Alright, so that is how you can add it back in or remove it from the People widget. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And to use it, all you have to do is swipe in on the edge of the screen to open up the Edge Panels. And if you cannot locate the People panel, you need to swipe across like that until it rotates to the People's panel. And from here, you can tap on the contact, and it will give you the option to make a call or send a text. Select one of the options, and if you choose a text message, then the Messages app will open, and from here you can quickly send a text, or you can swipe out to make a call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.